Focus AI is a powerful, just-released software that's creating a buzz in the digital world. Today, we'll dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about Focus AI. This could be the AI tool you've been waiting for. Stick around till the end because I'll also reveal how you can try it for free and give you some insider recommendations on other must-try AI tools. So let's get started with Focus AI. First, this AI is designed with one purpose: to streamline your workflow and supercharge your productivity. Whether you're in marketing, content creation, or just looking for a better way to automate tasks, Focus AI has you covered. The interface is smooth and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to jump in even if you're not a tech expert. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This tool packs a punch in terms of functionality. The first major thing you'll notice is its ability to handle a wide range of tasks, all under one roof. From managing your email campaigns, automating social media posts, to advanced data analysis, Focus AI offers an impressive array of features. It can optimize workflows, generate leads, and even write content, all in minutes. No more jumping between multiple platforms and tools. Focus AI centralizes everything you need to stay productive, saving you time and mental energy. Now, let's talk about its AI-driven automation. This is where Focus AI truly stands out. The software uses advanced machine learning algorithms to learn from your habits and preferences, ensuring it provides highly personalized suggestions and automations. Imagine setting up an automated workflow that adapts to your needs over time. With Focus AI, it's not just about pushing a button and hoping it works. It's about using smart automation that gets better the more you use it. One of the standout features of Focus AI is its integration capabilities. It seamlessly connects with your favorite tools, whether it's email platforms like Gmail, social media scheduling tools like Buffer, or CRM systems like Salesforce. This integration makes it easier than ever to sync everything you do and maintain a consistent workflow. No more juggling between tabs or manually transferring data. Focus AI does the heavy lifting for you. For those of you in marketing, Focus AI offers a deep dive into analytics and reporting. You can track the performance of your campaigns with ease, gather insights from the data, and make decisions based on real-time results. This is especially valuable for businesses looking to scale or improve their outreach efforts. The software's AI doesn't just give you numbers. It provides actionable insights on how to improve your strategies. Another crucial aspect of Focus AI is its learning curve. Many AI tools can feel overwhelming, but Focus AI is designed with user-friendliness in mind. You don't need to be an expert to harness the full potential of the software. The tutorials and support team are always available, and with a few clicks, you can get started. But, as with any new software, there are some things to consider. While Focus AI is incredibly robust, it might take a bit of time to fully explore all the features. The sheer amount of functionalities can be overwhelming for new users, but once you get the hang of it, the software becomes a powerhouse. Now, if you're wondering about pricing, here's the deal. Focus AI is offering a free trial, so you can jump in and start exploring without spending a dime. This is a great opportunity to see if it fits your workflow before committing. At the end of the day, Focus AI is shaping up to be one of the best AI tools for improving productivity and streamlining your digital marketing efforts. With its smart automation, seamless integrations, and user-friendly design, it's a tool you'll want to have in your digital toolkit. If you're ready to give it a try, just click the link in the description below to get started with a free trial. And after testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that Focus AI is a game changer. I've also included my top recommendations for other AI software you can explore for free. Check them out and see which ones fit your needs best. Don't forget to hit that link, and I'll see you in the next review.